Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me showing you all how I do my eyebrows. The first thing you will need is a precision shaper brush, an eyebrow duo brush, some concealer to clean up your eyebrows, and you would need an eyebrow pencil. I just use any kind. I'm using LA Colors in this video. The first thing I like to do is take my eyebrow duo brush and kind of just brush out my hairs in the direction that I want my hairs on my eyebrows to go. So now I'm just taking my eyebrow pencil and kind of just filling in those places where I want my eyebrows to look more full. And then you also are going to see that the ends of my eyebrows, where they're a little thin, I'm going to make them a bit thicker just so that it can look a little bit more full and look like there's more hair there. So that's what I'm going to be doing to both eyebrows. And sorry about the way that this angle is set up. It kind of looks like I'm drawing on my eyebrows straight, but that's nowhere near how I'm doing it. For some reason it just looks like that, and you will see in the video that it looks completely different when I look up. So now I'm taking my concealer and just shaping my eyebrows and carving out my eyebrows the way that I like them. That way that they look more clean and put together and a little bit more sharp. So that's what you are seeing there. And I'm going to do the same to both eyebrows, top and bottom. And then I'm going to carve out that tail just so that it can look really, really sharp. In just a moment you will see my eyebrows. See, that looks is way better than what the angle is making it seem to look. But now I'm just doing the exact same to the other eyebrow. Now I'm just taking my precision shaper brush and just blending out that concealer and as you can see, it blends right into my skin. It's closer to my skin tone anyway, so it just blends right in and just makes the eyebrow look way more cleaner and a little bit more natural. So once I blend it out, you won't even be able to tell that I even had any concealer on my eyebrows or anything like that. So that is what I'm doing right there. So yeah, that is my eyebrows, and I'm just going in again with my eyebrow dual brush and kind of just brushing them out just a little bit more at the front of my eyebrows, kind of just make it not look too boxy. But yeah, this is my completed eyebrows, and this video was asked by some friends of mine, so I decided to finally film it. And yeah, that is how I do my eyebrows. Hopefully you liked this video and it was easy to follow along. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.